Thank you for buying this 15001 ceramic electric kettle from Fixture Displays. It comes in a beautiful blue floral pattern. The kettle is about 3 pounds in weight, comes with a nice china knot. This string is meant to be attached to the handle, so the lid is together with the handle. Certainly, you can optionally use or not use it. They come with a detachable base, and the base is about 6 inches in diameter. The cord is about 25 inches long. The underside of the base, you can wind the wires inside for storage. The height of the kettle is about 7.5 inches and similar the length direction. There is a water level indicator. Your water should not exceed the marked position. The lid comes with a locking feature. The way to work with that is to put the lid in on the opposite side first, and then the other clip will fall under inside nicely. And if you turn that slightly, that prevents the lid from being lifted off accidentally. You can turn that back to remove the lid. I invite you to browse fixturedisplays.com for many other consumer and business products we have to offer. If you have any questions, feel free to email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. And that's the proper amount of water you want to put in. This is the on-off switch. When it boils, it will shut off automatically. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do like us, subscribe. Remember, leave a good seller feedback along with a product review. If you have a project you require custom make, we'd love the opportunity to manufacture for you. Simply email us cs@fixturedisplays.com. Thank you once again for choosing Fixture Displays.